recording me. Wait, hold on.
This is
It's on hard.
it's hard to do.
Mom!
Oh!
Mom, light it. Mom, light it.
These people are great. They dancing. This is hard. Oh! Oh! Mom! These people are crazy. These people are
Down there.
These people are weird. Oh! Oh my God! That ended already. Guys, that's so. I cannot even do this. Oh, there's a firework just got on me. Okay, that's mine. How's the phone though? I'm looking for the flower.
That's
Yeah, I can record. Ah! but I am not. How about this one? Why is that so silent? Where? Where? Right there? No, I'm out here. City Park! What you doing here? Bow! Bow! Mom, just 2 at a time? Why the lights are not full? Oh, they're lighting up! Those are not lighting! Those are not lighting! Those are fireworks! Nope! Wow! These people are gone!
Leave my nephew alone. This is what he wants.
They're all gone and wrong right now.
I'm going to tell this nigga. Does he know where Walnut Street is?
Mama, go on the other side.
Wisdom.
Scoot over, man. Like, oh, damn.
Wisdom. I'm going to give you your address. Listen to me. You're going to put this in your address. 829 Walnut Street.
Where's that at?
It's right around the corner.
You can
You're going to
come
be
to
in
my
this
house.
fucking war. I don't give a fuck what your mama says. 829 Jefferson
Hold on.
or 573
Hold on.
355
829.